Hi Dawu, happy birthday. Um, I wanted to do a sing and dance for you, but I don't think I can do that right now. Um, I just dropped by to greet you. Happy birthday. No, I'm just kidding. The first time that I met you, sobra akong nawiwirdan kasi nasa Artec ka and you just approached me and told me that you wanted to be a part of the cast the following year, which is okay naman. But I never truly believe na gusto mo talaga until you auditioned for the role. And all I can say is lahat ng gusto mong gawin, makakaya mo kasi lahat ng ginagawa mo, give your heart into it. So, keep it up. May this year be more fruitful for you, lalo ngayon at I think you'll be a church leader in your community. Sana marami ka pang maakay ng mga kabataan into the light. Continue being the light and the salt of this world. For me, you are an inspiration kasi ano ka eh, no BS. Laging lahat ng bagay mabuti para sa iyo. And so, I wish you happiness, love. May you find the love that you've been looking for all this time. And always keep it up. Na alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo yan. Pag nirapan ka naman, you know where to run to. You know who to call. Not me, ha? It's the big guy up there. Our big boss in the sky. And happiness, success, aral mabuti, huwag masyadong mambabae, at hinay-hinay sa pagkain ng Graham Balls. Ako nga nagpapapayat, baka ikaw naman susunod pa diba? No, I'm just kidding. Happy birthday, Dawi. Mahal kita. Mahal ka namin lahat. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. God bless you and happy birthday.